Connect your SmartCredit API to instantly pull credit reports, log in as, and automate client onboarding. Access business settings to configure SmartCredit API keys. Next, head over to your SmartCredit Support Link Plus account. Once logged in, access your user account options from the bottom left. Select the Partner API Keys tab to view, generate, or manage your SmartCredit API keys. If you don't already have an API key, click the Generate Key button to create a new SmartCredit API key. Enter a unique key name and ignore the Limit by PIDN option. Then click Generate to create the API key. Click the copy icon next to your API key to quickly copy it and paste it into your Creditfixrr business settings. Next, select the copy icon next to your API secret key to copy it and paste it into your Creditfixrr business settings. Once you have pasted both your API key and API secret key, select the Activate Client Access button. Great! You've successfully connected the SmartCredit API. Your account is now fully integrated with Creditfixrr's client access engine. Unlocking real-time 3B credit reports, seamless client onboarding, and complete visibility into client activity and plan status, while enabling you to access reports instantly, reduce delays, and close more clients with less manual effort.